We're going to take a look at how you can count things in Excel using the count functions. We have 5 cells that have text or numbers or a blank cell, and we'll see how we can count just the numbers or any cell that has data or just the blank cells. So first we'll look at how we count cells that have numbers, and to do that we would use the Excel count function. So with our 5 cells, in the bottom cell I've got a count formula, and I've selected cells A1 to A5, and when I press enter it shows that there are 3 cells with numbers. Now the count function will also count dates, so if I type today's date in here, it's still counting 3 numbers because dates are stored as numbers. To count any cell that has data in it, you can use the COUNTA function. So it will count text or numbers. It will ignore our blank cells. So here we can see the COUNTA function selecting cells A1 to A5. And when I press enter, there's a total of 4 cells that have something in them, either text or a number. Now this blank cell isn't counted, but just be aware that COUNTA will sometimes count a cell that might look empty. So if I had a space character here, I just type a space on the space bar, so that cell looks empty, but it's still being counted because it has a space character. Or I could type an equal sign and 2 quotes, and when I press enter, again the cell looks empty, but we can see there's a formula in it that's giving us an empty string, so that's being counted as well. And finally, to count the blank cells, you can use the COUNTBLANK function. So here, COUNTBLANK, cells A1 to A5, and when I press enter, I get 1 blank cell. But again, it will count cells that have an empty string in them. So if I type equal and 2 quotes and press enter, that cell looks blank, but it's really got a formula, so it's being counted as a blank even though there's something in it. So just a few little quirks to watch for as you're counting things in Excel.